In this chapter, you will learn electrostatics 靜電. There are two kinds of electric charges, namely positive and negative charges. One electronic charge is equal to the charge of one electron, which is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 19 coulomb. Let's consider the forces between charged objects. Consider two thin foils. If they carry opposite sides of charges, they will attract each other. The force is attractive. However, if they carry the same side of charge, they will repel each other. The force is repulsive. Therefore, we say like charges repel and unlike charges attract. However, if one body is charged and the other body is neutral, then the force is still attractive. There are three methods can be used to charge a body. The first method is to charge an insulator by means of friction or rubbing. If we rub a glass rod or plastic ruler by a dry cloth, the glass rod will be charged. The charge on the rod may be negative or may be positive depending on the nature of the materials. The second method is to charge a conductor by means of sharing. First, negatively charge the conductor X with insulator stand and a neutral conductor Y are separated. Next, X and Y are touched momentarily. Electrons on X will go to Y, and we say that negative charges are shared by both X and Y. Lastly, X and Y are separated. Both X and Y get negatively charged. Now, if a positively charged rock X is brought near a neutral conductor Y, next, X and Y are touched momentarily. When they are touched, the electrons from Y go to X, and we say positive charge are shared by both X and Y. Lastly, when they are separate, both X and Y get the same side of charge, which are positive. There are some remarks. Only electrons can go through conductors. Positive charges cannot move through conductors. Second, by sharing of charges, all the conductors carry the same side of charges. Thirdly, only conductors can be charged by sharing. Lastly, a large conductor will share more charges. Earthing is an example of sharing of charges. when the charged conductors, for example, we have a negatively charged conductor which is connected to the earth by conducting wire, then we say that since the earth is also a conductor, therefore both the charges are shared by both the conductor and the earth. Since the size of the earth is much larger than that of the charged sphere, therefore all the electrons will go from the conductor to the earth. Finally, the conductor becomes neutral. And we say this process, the body is said to be completely discharged, 完全放晒啲電。What happens if we have a positively charged conductor being connected by an electric wire to the earth? In this case, we say that the electrons from the earth go through the conducting wire to neutralize all the charges on the charged sphere. In this case, the charged sphere also becomes neutral. This is also an example of completely discharged. So, earthing is a process which removes all the excessive charge on a conductor. The third method to charge a conductor is called charged by induction. Step 1, we have a conductor X which is initially neutral. Second, we put a negatively charged conductor Y nearby without touching X, and the charge distribution on X will be the next step. Conductor X is touched with the fingers momentarily. Therefore, the excessive charge, the negative charge, electrons will be earthed. The last step, conductor Y is taken away, then conductor X will become positively charged. Let's consider another situation. First, we have a conductor X which is neutral. Next, a positively charged rod Y is put nearby without touching X, then the charge distribution on X will be then conductor X is touched with the finger momentarily. The excessive charge, which is positive, can be removed to the earth by the process that electrons from the earth go to neutralize this positive charge. For the last step, conductor Y is taken away, and then conductor X will become negatively charged.